What's up and welcome back, everyone. Colton and I are out here today. We are playing around with a bunch of different case pieces of equipment. We've got a 321F here in the background that he's in, but we're out here in Tomahawk, Wisconsin at cases like Training Center, Demo Center, where we can just come out here and play with all their newest, latest, and greatest in equipment. You can see a bunch of skids over here. We've got a bunch of stuff over the hill. This is absolutely insane, you guys. This thing is freaking awesome. This whole event is super cool. You can see as we come around the corner here, all the wheel loaders lined up. Gonna be playing on some of those. And a bunch of excavators over the hill you can see peeking over. So yeah, let's get right into this video. Let's play around on this. Alright guys, we got Colton in the 321F here. As you guys know, we don't have a wheel loader, don't really run one too often. We've ran a couple before, but by no means good at it.
Little buckets.
I know.
Or you fertilizer, so we're using like 6-yard buckets on these things.
Oh really? Wow. Yeah, so we're out here at this event. Case puts this on. Titan Machinery brought us out here. Got a bunch of guys out here just testing stuff out, playing around. You can see the lineup of wheel loaders. Got a bunch of excavators over the hill going at it. Like I was saying, we've got really no experience on these things, so this is our, I guess, you know, some of our first times out playing around on them. But this is kind of an ideal setup for snow plowing. You guys that do snow removal, if you're familiar with Stan Genetics channel, that STLG he's got, this is a very comparable size loader, pretty much the same exact thing as 321 here. It's about 1,000 pounds lighter, I believe. Just a lot more sophisticated, I guess, but with that comes a lot more sophisticated price point. Like that guy over there was just saying, all these buckets on here are pretty frickin' small. I'd imagine they do that obviously to make everything seem stronger and be able to lift more. This machine comes in at like 13,000 pounds, I want to say. Two-speed. There's a 2-speed. So out of all the things we kind of wanted to come out here and play around on, this 321F was one of them. Also want to get on a TV 450 track loader, and then on a couple different excavators. Probably a 160, which looks like they had a Leica grading system on it, and 145 and a 245 reduced tail swing. Both were kind of some key things we wanted to try out. Now when they were talking about these, I believe he was saying most of these machines here are optioned with a limited slip differential. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's what's in this one as well. You can see visibility. One of the leading things, as they were talking about, when they gave us kind of a rundown of everything here, one of their leading things they are concerned about or care about most with everything seems to be operator comfort and visibility. They were always keen into pointing out how good visibility they have on every single cab, from their grader going back here to the wheel loaders to even the skid loaders, our SV280's got best-in-class visibility. Visibility has always been a very key thing with Case here, and they're really showing that on all their machines. Their excavators have got the largest cabs in the industry. Obviously, a lot of them, the bigger excavators, are link belt excavators, so best-in-class visibility. But you can just see all the glass on this thing, which is great for you guys doing snow removal, because you're out, like I've talked about in the past, the worst times of day. Dark out, snowing, snowstorm, visibility's, you know, poor to begin with. Having the best visibility as possible out of your machine, that is extremely crucial.
This machine weighs in at like 12 or 13,000 pounds. See all the rigs I got lined up. We just got up to the hill here. This is where all the excavators are. As you can see, they got them all lined up. And we're really interested in this 145 here, RTS, or reduced tail swing machine. For what we would be looking forward to. Here's Carson out here in the TV 450. He said he wanted to play with some dirt, so came up here. So I'm gonna try some of these things out.
Alright guys, we're on the excavators now. Colton's on the 490. I'm over here on the 245. And I was earlier on the 145 over there. That thing is a sweet machine. Love that thing. But we're about to dig a mine. Biggest hole we can get here in the time we have allotted. I'm going to set you guys up on this little makeshift tripod. And we're going to get to work here. Honk down in there with her.
I gotta turn the seat heater on.
It's got side LED lights, side cameras, LED lights up the back. You really hear that turbo in there.
Alright. I just got out of this CX490, dug this huge hole. Carson's filling it in now. I had it way below the frost line. She got to some softer dirt down there. Now he's filling her in. Machine was pretty much maxed out.